In this video, we'll learn how to calculate reverse percentages. Reverse percentages involves working backwards to find the original value after a percentage change. You'll need a calculator for this lesson. Before continuing with this video, make sure you have already seen our percentage increase and decrease video. Links are in the description or top right corner now. And also make sure that you're comfortable with percentage multipliers because we'll be using them a lot in this video. Here's a multiple choice example question. Simon buys some shoes in a sale. The original price is reduced by 20% to a sale price of £40. What was the original price? Was it £48 or £50? Pause the video now if you'd like to have a go, but be careful not to rush this. Okay, so the correct answer is £50. And we'll see why using decimal multipliers. So here is the answer. Now if we multiply by 0.8 to decrease something by 20%, then to go back the other way to get the original price, we must divide by 0.8. And the reason why we use 0.8 is because 100%, which was the original price, minus 20% is equal to 80%. And 80% as a decimal is this 0.8. So if price times 0.8 is equal to £40, then to go back and find the original price, you must do price equals £40 divided by 0.8, and that comes to £50 when entered into a calculator. Okay, now it is your turn. Here is another example. Headphones are decreased by 10% to a sale price of £270. What was the original price? Follow the method from the last question shown here on the right hand side. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so here is the answer. If we multiply by 0.9 to decrease something by 10%, then we must divide by 0.9 to go back to where we started. So price times 0.9 is 270. Now that means that price is equal to 270 divided by 0.9, and that comes to 300 when entered into a calculator. And just as a reminder, it's 0.9 because 100% minus 10% is 90%, and 90% as a decimal is 0.9. Okay, let's move on. We can also calculate reverse percentages following a percentage increase. So here's an example. The price of a TV is increased by 15% to £920. What was the price before the increase? Pause the video now if you'd like to have a go. As a hint, if something is increased by 15%, then you have 115%. Okay, so here is the answer. Now to increase something by 15%, we multiply by 1.15. This means to go back the other way, we must divide by 1.15. And the reason why we use 1.15 is because 100%, which is the original price, plus 15% is equal to 115%, and 115% as a decimal is 1.15. So if you have price times 1.15 equals £920, then going backwards, price is equal to 920 divided by 1.15, and that comes to 800 when entered into a calculator. Okay, one last example for you to practice. The population of a town increased in 2017 by 6% to 9,699. What was the population at the beginning of 2017? So follow the method from the last question shown here on the right hand side. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, here is the answer. The multiplier to increase something by 6% is 1.06. And this is because 100% plus 6% is 106%, and 106% as a decimal is 1.06. So the correct answer is population times 1.06 is equal to 9,699, meaning that to go backwards we need to do 9,699 divided by 1.06, and that gets our initial population of 9,150. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got those correct. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any suggestions for future videos. Subscribe so you get notified when the next video is out. And feel free to share with your friends if you think it would be helpful.